nye mwine tumwebaze nisimbira aba Western Youth MP a ticket ya Grand Seriza nanga NRM. Process yabanungi so far bagiramo injuro kututeganisa abanza bamunana ba youth bacabayenda kurayotinga imbere ikaya ikikana batera karuru tukagira nshonga kaba karuru kemirembe kaba karuru kihorere and when it is all said and done ni mpamyanti choice yaba youth bitu ira imagine victorious.
Nche kuteganisa youth.
I declare Tumwebaze Mwine, who has obtained the largest number of votes to be elected candidate for the Western Region Youth Representative to Parliament.
Kole media niyo yonka yo kushanga hebirungi nkebyo. Sekwati kole media birankore.
Omurungi ari kutureba, thank you so much for watching Nkole Media TV. Turiaha Antare High School tuku witnessinga bakutora na Western Regional Member of Parliament ari ku representinga by youth. Abantu nibingi ebibina nibyingi byasindika representatives konka akaruru akatwareba kari hagati yo mucyara ubakweta nakandi Barbara hamwe no mushija ubakweta Tumwebaze Mwine. Ababa baba bari etayi konka etayetari yamani mnonga nakandi Barbara yabasa kutunga obururu 404 ate Mr. Tumwebaze Mwine yabasa kutunga obururu 1057 votes noreba anti difference mazima eriho yamani konka abe bigombe ebindi nibagira nti ogwo mushija Tumwebaze Mwine cyayinengeri yakora mwawo obuntuntu bwo kugaba mu esente ate boti babasa kutunga abantu habo kugira nti baba batine kasente konka ebyo byona nebigambo akaruru nakaruru twareba nti difference yogo mchara nakandi Barbara na Tumwebaze Mwine yaba eri mpango mnonga konka yabasa kusinga akaruru yaba ari Tumwebaze Mwine era niwe ari kuza kutu representinga omu parliament era kuratewo nka Western Youth MP akaruru nikwe katambura kati
zina man forabenitwe nyesimbira ko ingashinzwe mu papa ya hayana detebe kurekere munyezo mushengero likumenebere abwa burenge bwisoba kimwe umuri kuteganisa ningashinje kuteganisa minyeto binamu ibaragemermo bineme minyeto mitahi yitwe kuzire nayo bakuru bitu batobitu abakuzaheri ihanga konka habwa police mbi ningashabwa Foreign Relations Act erukwetaga amendment ushanga ngo abana nibazokwe ngo baza kuronda kuri na pasi cyazingemermo konka baturu kunje ezo ni kimwe aha ningashinyonganye ekinyi no manifesto kujana cyo kintu rwanda emyete y'inzu byinjye aho bakore kweza wakore barevu ko bate iryo ya Western Region kujyana n'abazira veto afford kutwara abana amashuri ebizo bone byinjye by'emyeto y'ine konka ni kwamyangu twakwatira hamwe none menyeto abo kwangu mwe ndetse bayi mangu nayo bemba kiza kwendera nyinga nzagaga ngorenganya nabo abantu
process ever negendo
hati timbe kuza kugira ngo yabonire nko kutubire ntugenda abo kuba twagize remeshonga ningashi kare ho twagira meshonga ningashi twafunaho amahoro ninga intelligence kugira ngo bamwe mu bakandidates ningashi umumuri umuritwe yaba nakoreso muringo bwo kugira ngo abana bagenda n'amasomo gabo bakuza kutera karuru batera karuru kishani baruga kutera karuru ubundi bagire kibabahereza ino bitani konke cyo kutwamara kucumanya bace hari twese imbere twikiriza ingana twagira ngo no ahubwo burungi bwaka karuru twino kurwana kurengo iki cyabo nico kitwagira ngo katusitame hihe na nebox na ebaf zibafutera makaruru kugira ngo umuntu atajiro atere wihaye sumu mushaka kutera karuru abo kujekera region ya burenge bwisoba
bene minyeto
kandi minyeto kutera karuru ne 12 nabace abakushobamo kandi abakuteera nibaruga aha district abakuteera nibaruga aha sub county levels nibaruga sub county levels bashatu chairperson n'eminyeto aha sub county levels, secretary wa finance na secretary of human affairs, then nicho kimwe na municipal divisions na municipalities and districts bashatu
kandi nanyesingira abayitwa barufala
I'm not going to entertain complaints.
Uganda kandi nibwo mu kibiine kya Alliance for National Transformation icyandika saideji ery'enyuma y'ezibesi zaiba kutikingira akaruru hariho enshonga yayataho abantu bariyo nibareetera tume sente nibareeza sente bari mu condition that kutira akaruru baiza kukatikinga bakatera ekishani that will be evidence y'okuheereza sente. So itwe nk'abantu bakanditsa b'ensi abatagirizaho kubiha beyisemyezo we are saying no, that is not true. Era akaruru kabo kurungi kakube kurungi katwara umuvugizi. So igindi kandi sente ziyoni zijira kimwe n'ebibiina party zagwenga head kusindika sente z'abana efuna cy'abose imitwaro 60 bisabye bafunye imitwaro 3 ati babashije kubona baseninga balance yabo imitwaro 3 zibe imitwaro 6 ziboye then bataye kumara kutira akaruru ushobora kuza balance, but the problem is that hata bakari sente factions zibi kumara kutira akaruru kuza balance imitwaro 3 na NRM kuza imitwaro 4. So abana imyeteri yobo ningashiba delegates abagimo kugumena they are doing that, they are taking because
I'm only listening to the districts I'm calling.
So
I'm not going to listen to any other person.
Center yaba center.
You only need to be patient with your young people. You should activate the drive of being patient.
Washara mutuje.
If you have pressure, you go home.
Ukatikinga tarukuza kwereka kuri taruku direction.
And then
imyetungo mbere mwiza kwa leta imirimo nyete imirimo natuna no kugireta tuburyo mu environment tuneme abarment tuneme mu nyombure bakwanye n'ababine bagamba no gukora mutera amatabana yajyana imyeto ninyenda nyo gukora sakoze mu subregion zone za Western Uganda subregion zitano at least ndandikana sake bitwara atatu nizo sente zo kutugabiriza umuzo ku motoka mu gihugu cy'imyeto takafuye ya imyeto twine mu abana imyeto bimuga kino kubagamba no shangu bote barazi. So I'm thinking about the disabled as well. So you see, they say that you give credit where it's due. Government na mazimito tulimu ina remu kukaa, hivyo ina remu kukora, alikuja extend ya hizi pili. Lakini nituwa kumanya projects hizo nzidi. Bine MPs abakuga kunu bachimara kutera karuba tika sente nkezo nkoso kuzireba kugira ngo napate takaruzinga kandi tika sente bashiko ushanga n'imyita kumangura even have yitumba rupana he don't and me bari kinye naje gushira karura this youth bamwe UNP bakuma no bakutira karuru no munyiraje ko twana yindira karuru don't know that they have delegates and the delegates na bize ndezi amakombo. So
unfair election. I've never seen the worst election.
Can you kindly give people space? Which district is that?
I've participated in elections, not just as a polling assistant or even a presiding officer, but I've never seen such a chaos that is happening. People are taking outside the box. People are showing their ballot papers to candidates, agents of I don't know, of some candidate. There's voter bribery here and there, 600k everywhere. I don't know. I've never seen this in my life. And this takes us back to what we fought for, the democracy that we fought for. And we cannot have a good leader in such a process.
By the Secretary for Human Affairs.
I have been a General Secretary
and
for Youth Mbaro
Secretary for Finance.
Before it was a city.
Right?
I'm the sitting Youth Council in Mbaro City South. So when I speak, I'm speaking from experience. I know this is the worst election. You can already tell the results from the chaos that is happening here.
Does that suggest there is huge?
I don't fault the system because these are youth leaders and they represent everyone, almost. But I think the EC should change in the arrangement. When you give 600k to each delegate and then you let one candidate house them, instead of providing, because we are at entire school, there are a lot of enough beds for everyone. I presume they would have hosted everyone and then they let candidates campaign. That is what a conference is called. That is what a delegate is.
When you organize that's when you
not a normal election like others that happen in our for mayors and like any other place. So those should be the changes. And because That is where voter bribery is coming from, and we should stop. Nebingi nebinakoze because ncheri general secretary wemenyeka tukalobinga Hayfast from the central government. Buri leader yafuna central yafuna Hayfast. As a youth council Mbara City South, within the first 100 days in office, I had already lobbied 50 million for the restoration of the riverways from Bank of Uganda.
Should be ready
so omuntu nkanye tokankomperinga n'abo bali mbaleta kuba kuteekaho sente ngo voting abantu ubwo abana babata kumwenda nikirebeka because bano bakwenda bwa kino oteekaho sente
noteekateeka bwenki so
ntambwire 38 districts ezikunomusa
Ninyo Martha Kisomero ndi hano Safari School Simba mu hantebe ya Western Youth Member of Parliament kaiza kusera Karuru ukimanyire mu Western Region Mkoto harumu region yone ya sub-region ya Toro harumu Wenzori harumu Munyoro harumu Kore so harumu na Kigezi. So one of the ekintu kintendi ndenga complain nyingira ngutuba twira bwire hakuba districts zimini okuba no sponsoring arundi no organizing parties as the innocent as much in the monitoring ekintu osobora kumalira district asatuna munana wazimarayo okubona campaign nikyo batekeraho at least 15 minutes kurora ngo wabazana abantu bawo bakoma edakiki 15 kurora wabazana abantu bawo bakoma okabetegereza sakiki cyenyine kikulesere omuramwa gwawo ogwizire nekyo kwenda kukora beiteki kibaine ngutuba kukora ekindi buli region hostinga elections zino okuba obeire hati ngankore next time atemeri kuba Mbarara I mean Toro next time akaba Bunyoro next time akaba Kigezi but tubaine the highest form of injustice obuli bwenguzi okusingira ikimu kurora ngu last time election yenu akaba Mbarara na hati mu biro bina byonka bagishiftingire bagiha fotokoto bagireta Mbarara again batatugambire ensonga habwaki kiki yenyine kikubahambiriza kwiha election yegyo Toro bakagireta hani so ekyo ita hali ya candidates tushemere nturora there has been an injustice.
Nye mwine tumwebaze nesembera aba Western Youth MP a ticket ya Transeriza nanga NRM process yabanonzi so far twagiramo enjuro okututeganisa abanza abamunana ba youth bachabayenda kurayotinga ugembera ikaya ikikana batera Karuru tukagira nshonga kaba Karuru kemirembe kaba Karuru kihorere and when it is all said and done nempamyanti choice yaba youth bitu ira imagine victorious
nchebe kuteganisa youth
anguze bite kuteganisa ba youth binakwenyenda kutandikira no kwachivinga to representation akoko kiragambira abana banje hierarchy ya youth politics ni national female our regional youth MPs national executive ya NYC and to the district leadership na sub county leadership and so on abantu ninga youth leaders abari most in touch na ba youth na ba sub county kubanga no bakwinteractingana n'abana on a daily basis. Nka the sad thing is radio structure they are the least empowered. Umunteka tekea nje twatu yabo party ninga true representation tune ku empowering ba sub county leaders with the right tools and with the right funding abase kuza ground but ile information ya kwasa kutuyamba kukora the right policies is grounded in facts but also there is abantu information about government programs za kwasa kukora za kwasa kuyamba minyeto because at the end of the day these are people that are on ground abantu bali in touch na bakama bitu ba youth. So if we can achieve that nitekateka tutu achieving a true youth representation.
Okay.
Hajira ukandente yaga basente kandi twaterera polisi yazayo yakora ki yaba stop. So hakuri hariho this act okumuyoni mugamba bakandeta abantu bakuterera polisi kito kutwakora kubanga hari candidate aho hanyuma mwengura candidate independent yanagayo mtwali 10 every delegate twakimanya twamanya ntibasa kuteganisamo twaterera polisi yakora ki yabiyaho and statements are recording. So is even allegations and tiyamukamye umuntu wena ine kustating serious.
Okay.
Let's treat them with accountability.
Okay.
Atujishire Ismail Taki kandi nkoranka regional election officer of the electoral commission, but for this exercise banya pointing nka returning officer wakaruke minyeto abari kujwekera Western Uganda nari shoborenge rwizo exercise eji de kwata district sasha 8 zoborenge rwizoba kuruga Bunyoro, Toro, Rwenzori, Ankole na Rukiga na Rukiga. So irizoba twatera karuruke minyeto kandi twatandika shahemwe katera kagendaje ata undi kugambira turi munsi za kukabara in the presence of the candidates agents and supporters. So akaruruka katambura kurungi
nibandisha bayi
akaruraka ketabiremo delegates 12 n'abantu 94 bakorwa mu district za 38 bene barwo mu sub counties bashatu na no municipalities hamwe naba unsa babiri bu district na nomwe umbarema aha district level
bari kutera karabare bari complain ngo cases of water bribery
ba candidates batikaho bagamba ngo harimo water bribery kandi twabashaba ngo batworeke abantu bahereze sente tubabasa kutworeka konka kuba tugambira tugaruka tuzamuzindaro tugambira abantu tugambira n'abantu batera karuru otaro kuhereza sente kwe kugira ngo itwenke electoral commission abantu abija mona tubahereze sente ezo kurara na transport
exercise ya
umwanya wo kwindura venue kukabaguri Fort Portal kandi kuko nabagambira ndi regional election officer wa Fort Portal region Midwest aho kugira ngo tukabana turonda facilities nari umwanya wo kubasa kwateramo abana barengere 12 twashanga ntare school nubwo mwanya wo kubasa kubakwata kuba bine kishayi bine na stadium. So twashaba management na commission kugira ngo batereze umwanya wa ntare school rero makari
amasomero gitu nakareba ga buri gizo kandi cyakana ahita kureba ibintu bya parish government model as well as abijye mu kwasekizo ibimenyetso
to petition if they are grieved. Then I want to appreciate the security and all other stakeholders for the good work they have done today. It's a reason why we are peaceful. I also want to appreciate the media. You have been there for the commission and we have always worked with you. And on a special note, I want to thank my colleagues who have been in this exercise, headed by my colleague, the Regional Election Officer, Southwest. Thank you for the good work done. Allow me to declare the candidate officially. This is the form for the transmission of results. Election of regional youth representative to parliament. Return form for the transmission of results. I, Atuichile Ismail, being the returning officer for the election of Western Region Youth Representative to Parliament, having added up the number of votes cast as recorded on the declaration of result form that I have received from the presiding officer, in accordance with section 72 of the Parliamentary Elections Act, Cap 177, declare that the total number of valid votes cast for each candidate are as follows. Abenito Manfu of FDC political party got 2 votes. Parite Innocent of anti-ANT political party got 1 vote. Chihumro Martha of Jema political party got 3 votes. Mujuni Reynold, this one was independent and the symbol was a ball, he got 8 votes. Musim's Dennis was also independent with a megaphone as a symbol, got 19 votes. Namalembe Precious of DP political party, 1 vote. Nakand Babra, independent and was using croc as a symbol, got 404 votes. Oweki Sademula of NUP political party got 9 votes. Tumwewa Zemwine of NRM got 1,557 votes. The total number of valid votes cast for candidates 2004. Total number of rejected or invalid votes, ballot papers 11. Total number of ballot papers counted 2015. Total number of spoiled ballot papers 5. Accordingly, as a returning officer for election of Western Region Youth Representative to Parliament, and in accordance with section 72 of the Parliamentary Elections Act, Cap 177, I declare tumwebaze mwine who has obtained the largest number of votes to be elected candidate for the Western Region Youth Representative to Parliament. Signed, the returning officer at Future Ismail Taki, on the 28th of January 2026 at Indare School Stadium at 19:30 hours. So I will request the winner to come. I congratulate you officially. Then other candidates, kindly if you are around, come and you pick the transmission of results. If the parents are here, they can come and join the winner.
To be the best, number one and nothing less, lead me to my destiny. I have waited patiently, I have vision, though I believe, I know I can count on me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions.
Kore media niyo yonka yo kushanga ebirungi nkebyo. Sekwati kore media vira kore